Hi, it's the 18th of June and we're here at one of our grass-free trials in Cambridgeshire. I just want to talk through the factors that influence blackgrass suppression, competitive varieties, elevated seed rates, the importance of great establishment and the impact of row spacing. And we've really pushed the boundaries with this site, drilled on October the 31st into a heavy clay soil with a terrible seed bed that you really wouldn't want to use and no autumn herbicides, just to help us explore these four factors in more detail. So the first thing to think about is competitive varieties. This side I have a market leading 2-row feed variety, and this side I have the hybrid. And the important thing about this is that they're both drilled with the same drill at the same seed rate, and you can see very clearly here that the hybrid barley is much more competitive. And the second factor is seed rate and the importance of increasing seed rate. Here, this plot of SY King's Barn drilled at 200 seeds per square metre, our normal rate for normal conditions. And this side, we have the SY King's Barn drilled at 300 seeds per square metre, which would have been the correct seed rate on the day with the conditions that we faced at the time. And you can see here, much less blackgrass, the increased seed rate has done a good job for us. And the third thing to do is to get great establishment across the whole field. We've tried to simulate here the impact of having low establishment on the headlands by drilling this plot at 100 seeds per square metre. You can see the crop's not established well, you've got very limited crop competition and a whole forest of blackgrass. So one of the things you can do in practice is to consider just lifting that seed rate when you're drilling the headlands. And the final thing to consider is row spacing on the drill. In this block, we've doubled the row spacing to 25 centimetres and then looked at the impact on the blackgrass. This side, we have the conventional variety and it's struggling to cope with the blackgrass. The blackgrass has got more room to get a foothold. On this side, we have the hybrid barley and you can see it's far better adapted to dealing with these wider rows. So if you've got a drill with wide rows, you're best off using the hybrid. So you can see that competitive varieties, seed rates, establishment and row spacing all make a difference. We hope it's given you some food for thought for next season. See you next time.